Welcome back to 1200 plus BYU series of CSI and NET examination. This question was asked in NET December 2020. The question says that the binding energy B of a nucleus is approximated by the formula B is equals to A1A minus A2A to the power 2 by 3 minus A3 Z square A to the power minus 1 by 3 minus A4 A minus 2Z whole square multiplied with A to the power minus 1. Here Z is the atomic number, A is the mass number of the nucleus, and here A1, A2, A3, A4 are the coefficients appearing in the binding energy formula. In the question, it is given that if A4 by A3 is equals to 30, the atomic number Z for naturally stable isobar is from the given option you have to find. Okay, means in the given question there is binding energy formula, okay, and the ratio, that is A4 by A3, it is given to be 30, and from this data you just have to find the formula for the most stable isobar. Okay, you are given with 4 formulas. That is first formula, that is 30A by 60 plus A to the power 2 by 3. Second formula, that is 30A by 30 plus A to the power 2 by 3. Third formula, that is 60A by 120 plus A to the power 2 by 3. And fourth formula, 120A by 60 plus A to the power 2 by 3. Among all the given 4 options, you just have to choose which option is correct. So now let us solve it. Okay, in the question it is given that the ratio, that is A4 by A3 is equal to 30. So if I take its reciprocal, that is A3 by A4 comes out to be 1 upon 30. Now the formula for most stable isobar is given by Z is equals to Z0, which is equals to A by 2 plus A3 by 2A4 multiplied with A to the power 2 by 3. This is the formula obtained by simply derivating the formula of binding energy with respect to Z. Okay, from Liquidra model this formula is derived. You just remember this formula. If you put the value of A3 and A4 here, you can simply get the value of most stable isobar corresponding to atomic number A, right? So let's start. Okay, so in place of A3 by A4, that is here, look here, A3 by A4, we will put 1 upon 30. Okay, in place of A3 by A4 we will put 1 upon 30. So let's remodify the formula, that is Z equal to Z0, which is equal to A by 2 plus A3 by 2A4 multiplied with A to the power 2 by 3, which is equals to A by 2 plus half. Here it is 2, so we are writing half, and in place of A3 by A4, okay, in place of A3 by A4 we are writing 1 upon 30. Okay, in place of A3 by A4 we are writing 1 upon 30 from here. From here we are writing 1 upon 30 and A to the power 2 by 3 as it is. So we are getting that Z is equals to Z0, which is equals to A by 2 plus 1 by 30 multiplied with half. So it is coming to be 1 upon 60, then A to the power 2 by 3. So now taking LCM as 60, so 60 into 2, 120, then 60 will go to the numerator. Hence we are getting that is Z is equals to Z0, which is equals to 60A by 120 plus A to the power 2 by 3. So this is the formula for the most stable isobar corresponding Z is given by this formula. Okay, now let us check the option. Is there any option where in the numerator there is 60A and denominator 1 upon 20? Okay, so in option 3 our answer is matching, that is 60A divided by 120 plus a to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so this is how you just solve this type of question. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel Researcher Rohan Physics and check this playlist for more videos. Thank you.